And it's just, yeah, password.
That's funny.
Yeah, no doubt. So if we go to, you can look around for a minute. But the first thing I want to draw your eyes to is we have started working with the side menu on the left,
Okay.
where we're able to take pages and publish them, and they appear just as if a normal one. So if you go to like AI chat, you should be able to recognize what page that was originally,
Yep.
and then you'd be able to work with that however you desire and such like that. But where this little test was kind of, oh, you went with the bigger model, just taking a minute to load up.
Fine.
Yeah.
Why won't skeletons fight? They don't have the guts. Hey, that's a good one. All right.
Yeah, you do the joke because a lot of people do the joke. I do tell me the days of the week type thing. It's like, okay, let's go to BrainDrive Studio.
That was still pretty fast for a 32 billion parameter model.
Oh yeah, no, it's not like rinky dink slow at all. Okay, now we can go to home. That's a pretty good example. If see the on the right side of the page selection where it has home, and then on the right side is like an up arrow.
Hold on. The right side of the page selection.
Okay, I'll take your eyes. Go to your plugins. Oh, by the way, I changed that name from Toolbox. I went to
I
your
like it.
plugins.
I like
Okay.
it.
And if you move your mouse to the right, you'll see
I know
home.
exactly what your plugins is.
That's what I thought too. I was like, I followed our naming scheme, and I was like, nobody has to guess there.
Yep.
But if you
Okay.
take your mouse, go to the right. Okay, keep going, and now you have the upward arrow right there. No, that's it. There you go, right there. This is for publishing a page.
Okay.
Now, right now, this would need a video and a PhD, I think, to resolve this. But if you wanted to publish a page underneath one, like what's the right word? In a new root, because that's what React goes by. You would have to click parent.
Parent.
See where the parent
Okay.
is?
Yep.
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 You have to click it down. You would be able to select one of the routes that are available, like your brain drive. You can see where that is. BrainDrive Studio, you can see where that is, settings, and then custom route. And a custom route is like where I have golden up there. If you wanted to say, hey, I want to build my own because I'm doing Jeff's uh, life coaching. So I want this to be under Jeff's life coaching. Does that make sense so far?
Yep.
Okay, so let's fill that. Let's click that. Now in custom route, you have it populates automatically with custom route. You would have to fill in there Jeff's life coaching.
Or golden in this case.
Yep. Oh, that's the example I gave. But you could put Jeff's life coaching there. And if you click that, go ahead and put you can put Jeff's life coaching there. And let's go down and save. Okay. Now you have to go to publishing. And let's go ahead and ooh. See? Okay. That's all I need to see right there. Because it's probably having a problem because the page has already been published once, I think. So this tells me what I wanted to know, really. It didn't work out as expected. And there's too many, it's too confusing, I think, for any normal user.
Okay, so here's how I would think about trying to solve this issue,
Yep.
right? Whenever you have um a conflict between wanting to give people all the options,
Yep.
for customizations and everything, and simplicity, which is it seems like is the issue here, right?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
want to give people all the different options. Um, we need to give people the simplest core option front and center, and then hide everything else behind like advanced settings or some button, right?
Yep.
So from my perspective, um, the Nirvana, and again, I know we might not be able to get there, but Nirvana is you can do the simple thing, which the simple thing here is creating a page, right? Like
Yep.
that's what this is, right?
Yep.
So I can create a new page with like the most basic, whatever it is. Basically, what I would think is a basic page is just I'm creating a page that's going to show up in my personal brain drive and it's going to have these plugins that I've dragged over from the left, right? Like that's what we're
Yep.
talking about, right? So that's like the core like base thing that people are going to do, right? Now, what you're saying is that's just the start, right? And you can have pages that have connections to other things and pages that are part of other people's stuff and pages that are shared with people and accesses. And there's all this like, 20 different things that you can do, which is awesome,
Yep.
right? Fine. But like if I can't create a page with just a simple thing,
Yep.
I'm never even going to get to, well, can I do this? Can I do that? Right. So it feels to me from what I'm looking at here that we can get to the point where it's pretty damn easy to
Yes.
just create a new page and drag some plugins over. In fact, it feels like you're almost there. It's almost a matter of removing stuff and not adding stuff.
Correct.
Right.
Correct. No, and that's what it was like. Why I needed somebody else to go through this because uh, it was too complicated, and I realized when I got done, it was like
Once
that's a
people
mess.
see, right? Once people see, like, oh shit, I can create a page, then all their questions, the smart people are or not even the smart people, the people that want to do all the stuff or would be interesting in doing all the stuff that you're interested in, now they will spend 3 hours watching videos and webinars to figure
Yep.
out how to do it, right? But the person who just wants to and doesn't even really know what a page is and stuff is never gonna watch. I mean, if we have to put a video in, we'll put a video in. But like this to me, creating a page and dragging some plugins over
Yep.
feels like something that we can like make super simple and super easy, and then put all the rest of the shit behind advanced settings.
Yep. Nope. You've answered my question perfectly.
Great.
I know what I'm doing with it now.
Yeah, and I think that it's not you never have to watch a video. It's just you never have to watch a video to do like the core thing, or we
Yep.
hope you don't. Or maybe you watch like one video that's like 3 to 5 minutes and it explains everything from installing to chat to getting a model going and chatting to studio. It's like it's all if you watch that one video that's 3 to 5 minutes, you're golden, for
Yep.
the base like shit that you can do with this. Then we're going to have hours of videos and webinars and meetups where people are like customizing the fuck out of this,
Nope. Like I said, this I'll go for 2 layers. The first one, as we said, and I'll call it instant publish. It will
Yeah.
handle it all for you. It's only one button and you're done. And
Yeah.
then we'll have advanced settings underneath where you can get funny, you can get interesting, and you can get advanced.
Amazing.
Nope. That's what I
Come
was.
together.
Oh, yes. No. It's the only thing I went through. I had a couple of hours late last night, and I tried to do my first solution towards the streaming, which failed. So I'll be on to the next solution.
Okay. Sounds good.
Hey, when you're coding, it wouldn't be fun if it worked the first time every time.